uncommon idioms. What is an idiom? The idiom is a phrase or an expression that has different meaning from the literal meaning. Let's learn some idioms. Hit the books. It means to study. An example of it is, you better hit the books if you want to pass the test. By the skin of your teeth. It means just barely get by or make it. An example is, I woke up late this morning. I just made it here by the skin of my teeth. On the ball. It means quick to understand or react to things. An example of it is, I can't believe you got that assignment done so quickly. You're really on the ball. Find a needle in a haystack. It means it's almost impossible to find. An example is, I tried to find my lost key on the sandy beach, but it was like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Sleep on it means to think about something for a while. An example is, if you aren't sure what to do, sleep on it and let us know what you decide tomorrow. Sit tight. It means to wait patiently. An example of this is, our teacher told everyone to sit tight. Don't leave the classroom. Up in the air. It means things are uncertain or unsure. An example of it is, I don't know what our plans are. Things were sort of up in the air the last time we talked. Piece of cake. Yum, yum. It means very easy. An example of this is, I thought I was going to fail the test, but it turned out to be a piece of cake. Twist someone's arm. Oh! It means to convince someone. An example of one is, I had to twist her arm a little, but she agreed. Break a leg. Ouch! It means good luck. An example is, you both look great for the show. Break a leg.
Hello everyone, my name is Sindhu. I'm your English coach. I use activities, games and exercises to teach you English and make you a master in communication. I have helped thousands of students and participants to become a powerful presenter and confident communicator. Please subscribe to our channel and motivate us to make more contents like this. Thank you.